Morning routine with my puppies. I mix their formula with warm water. Time to feed them.
I'm still potty training them. These are the things I use to clean up after they finish their business. I let their mother out so that they can breastfeed a bit. While they're breastfeeding, I'm trying to clean up their cage, moving the pad, and spraying it with something to make it fresh, and wiping it off, and placing a new pad. Time to go back into the cage so that the valve can be cleaned.
Inside. Peach, come here.
Thank you for watching.